Discovering the first true Earth-like planet is a long-held dream of astronomers, and recent exoplanet discoveries suggest that their dream will come true in the not-too-distant future. This hunt has since turned up thousands of planetary candidates, some with conditions that could be similar to Earth and others with more of a wild streak. Here are the top 10 fascinating Earth-like planets ever discovered. Before we dive in, make sure you don't miss out on our next video and hit the subscribe button down below. So, without any further ado, let's get straight into the topic. Number 10. Wolf 1061c. Wolf 1061c, or WL 1061c, is an exoplanet orbiting within the habitable zone of the red dwarf star Wolf 1061 in the constellation Ophiuchus, about 13.8 light-years from Earth, making it the fifth closest known, potentially habitable, and confirmed exoplanet to Earth. Wolf 1061 gains our attention with the discovery that this small red dwarf hosts 3 planets in orbits of 4.9, 17.9, and 67.2 days, respectively. Of particular interest is Wolf 1061c, which appears to be within the habitable zone, defined here as the region in which it would be possible for liquid water to exist on the surface and potentially life. Number 9. Kepler 438b. The planet, named Kepler 438b, is slightly larger than Earth and circles an orange dwarf star that bathes it in 40% more heat than our home planet receives from the Sun. The small size of Kepler 438b makes it likely to be a rocky world, while its proximity to its star puts it in the Goldilocks or habitable zone, where the temperature is just right for liquid water to flow. Kepler 438b, which is 470 light-years away, completes an orbit around its star every 35 days, making a year on the planet pass 10 times as fast as on Earth. Small planets are more likely to be rocky than huge ones, and at only 12% larger than our home planet, the odds of Kepler 438b being rocky are about 70%. Number 8. TOI 700d. Trans-Sighting Exoplanet Survey Satellite, or TESS, has discovered a roughly Earth-sized planet in the habitable zone of its host star, the zone of orbital distances where liquid water could be stable on a world's surface. The newfound exoplanet, known as TOI 700d, lies just 101.5 light-years from Earth, making it a good candidate for follow-up observations by other instruments, scientists added. TESS found 3 different planets circling the star TOI 700. TOI is short for TESS Object of Interest. One of the other planets is a red dwarf about 40% as massive, 40% as wide, and 50% as hot as the Earth's Sun. The innermost world, TOI 700b, is roughly Earth-sized and completes one orbit every 10 Earth days. The center planet, TOI 700c, is 2.6 times bigger than our planet, meaning it's likely a gassy mini Neptune, and zips around TOI 700 every 16 days. Number 7. TRAPPIST-1e. Located 39 light-years away from Earth, TRAPPIST-1 is a relatively cool M-dwarf star with about 9% the mass of the Earth's Sun and about 12% its radius. This ultra-cool star is believed to host at least 7 rocky planets that are about the size of Earth or smaller. TRAPPIST-E1 lies in its star's habitable zone, the distance from a star at which a planet is warm enough to have liquid water on its surface, and thus potentially support life as we know it on Earth. This planet may also have a lot of oxygen, the researchers have said. Number 6. PROXIMA Centauri b. Proxima b is a 1.3 Earth mass planet, orbiting its star at about 1/20th the Sun-Earth distance, which places it well within the so-called habitable or Goldilocks zone. It receives an amount of energy from its central star that is about 2/3 of that received by the Earth from our Sun. Proxima b receives a significantly higher amount of such radiation compared to Earth, and therefore it is crucial to assess whether the planet has been able to maintain its water and gases in general over the course of the 5 billion years of history since it was born. Researchers find that currently, and that the total from the time of formation is about 7 to 16 times higher, because Earth was also irradiated more strongly in the past. Number 5. TOI 270b. TOI 270b is a super-Earth exoplanet that orbits an M-type star. Its mass is 2.09 Earths. It takes 3.4 days to complete one orbit of its star and is 0.0306 AU from its star, and its discovery was announced in 2019. TOI 270 is about 73 light-years away from Earth and is located in the constellation Pictor. Pictor is a constellation in the southern celestial hemisphere. TOI 270b. It is the innermost planet and is likely a rocky planet about 25% larger than Earth. TOI 270b has a mass of around 1.9 times greater than Earth's mass due to its proximity to the star. Planet B is an oven-hot planet and is not habitable. Number 4. EPIC 20123811.02. The candidate for an Earth twin is called EPIC 201497682.03. It resides around a red dwarf star called EPIC 201497682. That's 831 light-years from our solar system between the constellations Leo and Virgo. It's 69% of the size of Earth, the closest fit in the 18 exoplanets found by scientists at the Max Planck Institute for Solar System Research, or MPS. A planet called EPIC 201238110.02 resides in the habitable zone. It's 1.87 Earth diameters in size, so it's rather a super-Earth rather than an Earth twin. The host star, EPIC 201238110, is 522 light-years from us, also between the constellations Leo and Virgo. Number 3. Planet Ross 128b. Of all the exoplanets being discovered these days, some of the most exciting, if not the most, are those that might be Earth-like. Astronomers are finding a growing number of rocky worlds about the size of Earth or a bit larger. One of the most intriguing is a planet called Ross 128b, orbiting a dwarf star only 11 light-years away. It is currently the second closest known rocky planet to our solar system. A peer-reviewed study published in the astrophysical journal Letters in the summer of 2018 shows how such a world could be similar to Earth in some ways, but not really an Earth twin. Ross 128 has levels of iron similar to those of our own Sun, even though Ross 28 is a red dwarf star. Also, the ratio of iron to magnesium in the star indicates that the core of the planet is probably larger than Earth's. Number 2. GLIESE 667 cc. Discovered long ago, in 2009, GLIESE 667 cc, as it was originally named, is a model of how un-Earth-like an Earth-like planet can be. It is a super-Earth, meaning, as you might expect, bigger than Earth, estimated at 4.8 times the mass of Earth. Depending on its diameter, that could mean surface gravity notably greater than what we're used to. It orbits within its star's habitable zone, the proper distance so that water can be in liquid form. But since that star is a red dwarf and much fainter than the Sun, that proper distance is much closer, about a tenth the Earth-Sun distance. Being so close to its star, GLIESE 667 cc only takes about 28 days to complete an orbit and mark its own year. Number 1. Kepler 442b. Kepler 442b is a super-Earth orbiting a K-type star with a radius 1.34 times larger than Earth's and a mass estimated at 2.34 times of Earth. This would make the surface gravity roughly 30% stronger than on our own planet. A significant difference, but not enough to prevent alien life from leaving the surface. Kepler 442b's close position to its host star 0.4 times AU, or roughly as close to its star as Mercury is to our Sun, doesn't preclude it as a habitable planet. The planet is estimated to lie just outside the region where interactions with Kepler 442 would have tidally locked it. Thanks for watching this video. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.